At the FCC, we want to make sure that broadband is accessible to everyone, everywhere. And we have a new program that will help us bridge the digital divide like never before. The Affordable Connectivity Program helps reduce the monthly cost of internet service for qualifying families around the country. Eligible households can receive discounts of up to $30 a month for broadband service and up to $75 a month if the household is on tribal lands. Eligible households also are able to receive up to $100 to offset the cost of a computer or tablet. With a $14.2 billion budget, this is the largest broadband affordability program we've ever had in this country, and a unique opportunity for meaningful financial relief. For more information, please visit fcc.gov/ACP.